Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using Ink Editor. Welcome to my review of the Ink Editor AI tool. For those interested, you can find links to the product in the description below. Let's dive straight into why Ink Editor distinguishes itself as one of the most powerful AI writing assistants on the market today. Ink Editor is a tool designed for writers, content creators, marketers, and even business professionals seeking to optimize their content creation workflow. Whether you are developing blog posts, crafting social media captions, writing compelling ad copy, or composing emails, this tool offers an efficient method for generating, editing, and optimizing content within minutes. A key feature is its AI-powered content editor. Not only does it assist you in generating ideas from a blank page, it also provides real-time suggestions to improve readability, grammar, and overall tone. Need SEO-optimized content? Ink Editor seamlessly integrates with keyword tools, helping you achieve higher search rankings while preserving content quality and a natural writing style. Furthermore, the built-in plagiarism checker guarantees originality and compliance, an essential feature for professional writers. Another valuable asset is the Smart Rewriter feature, capable of rephrasing existing content in mere seconds. This proves especially helpful for repurposing content across various platforms while ensuring uniqueness. The collaborative functionality is a true game-changer for teams, allowing for seamless document sharing and real-time co-editing. Ink Editor was developed with both simplicity and power in mind. The interface is clean and intuitive, enabling even novice users to navigate the platform effortlessly without a steep learning curve. Simultaneously, it offers a wealth of advanced options for experienced professionals requiring granular control over their content. In conclusion, Ink Editor is ideal for anyone striving to create polished, impactful, and optimized content more quickly. It's more than just a writing tool, it's a productivity enhancer that adapts to your individual workflow. If you're serious about elevating your writing, this tool warrants your attention. Be sure to check out the links below for more information. Thanks for watching.